Lately, I have been feeling overwhelmed, overstimulated, overstressed, overworked, unmotivated. Like, it took me so long to actually edit this video. And it's not like I've not made this video since, but it just took me so long to edit this video because I've been procrastinating. And procrastination is not my thing. But anyways, I've not even been feeling well. And I think one other thing that has just been demotivating me is low views. You guys, in the first few months as a content creator, you know, the way businesses are usually slow in the first few months of the year before we get into the year proper, that's the same thing for content creation as well. And yeah, but I've been battling with like low views. It usually gets low, but not this low that, you know, a lot of people are not even interested in the video, especially market vlogs that sort of like excites people. I can see that they're not even interested in watching anymore. But this is me just asking you guys genuinely in the comment section, are you tired of the market vlog? Is there something you want me to do more in the market vlog? Is there something you want me to show you guys more in the market vlog? But anyways, welcome back to yet another market vlog. I would like you to leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'd like you to leave, you know, anything you want me to change up in the market vlog. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, before I came to the market today, I actually went to see a client, so that's why you could see me with a wig the first time. And now, bonjour, 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 bonjour. Moi, boo, bomsi lakatata. You guys, welcome to yet another market vlog. We are heading to Idumota Market to do our grocery shopping. I don't intend to waste time in this market because we're already late. This is not even bonjour. This is bon talez-vous. I think, or bon, no, what? Please let me know. Those of you that are watching me and you guys speak French, what is midday? What's the greeting for midday? Okay, but I'm sure you saw me with my wig. In fact, I'm about to even take this off because I'm looking at the camera now. I need to take it off. I'm sure you guys saw me, you know, with my wig and all. Yes, I was going to a client's house before coming to the market, so I cannot be looking like this and I would say I'm CEO, you know. So I had to wear my wig, rub a bit of lip balm and all. I'm expecting my pink lady, so my face is a bit, what they call it. But yeah, it's time for us to head into the market and start shopping. And of course, you guys know I'm here with my church baby in the building. I have comfortably parked in UBA car park as usual, and it's time to come down from the car and step into the market. This country is not good for me. What's happening? This country is not good for me. Bon talez-vous. Walking through UBA car park, the first person I see is Wasil. Wasil, you don't go do me what you do me the last time. You don't go do me what you do me the last time. See, as you don't listen, as you never see me for like 2 months, you don't listen. Wasil, leave me, I go inside market. I never ready for you now. If you guys can remember, Wasiu was not in the market in my previous vlog because I came very early and left very early. But yeah, I stopped by this malam that is just by the entrance at UBA car park to buy some vegetables, also some peppers as well. I realized that his peppers are one of the best that I have bought. Like if he tells you habanero pepper, it's habanero pepper. I look at these fresh mangoes when I was walking into the market. I had to buy, keep it with the lady and tell her I'm coming back. Yes, Chacha was trying to buy bathroom slippers here, and we're just heading to where my love is waiting for me. So yeah, this is me walking to my love, my love. You guys, it's been many years with mama now, and my love is literally now part of me. In December, hey, this woman literally saved my life. Like, she literally saved my life. There's nothing I did not want in this market that mama did not go and source for and buy. So yeah, you guys, please continue to patronize my love. She does market runs as well. But yeah, I stopped to buy potatoes, sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, and I headed to my lady that sells provision to start buying the provision. You guys, I would always say to you, please and please don't ever buy the things on display. always ask them to bring you things from inside.
My love! My love is like this. You guys, this market, I need to rush out because my phone is... My love, people don't patronize me for this. People, they patronize me for this.
At this point, you guys should call me market influencer. I went to my Ribena woman's shop to buy Ribena, and I was heading to my lady I buy cleaning items from because she pissed me off the last time.
I tell you, man, you give me happy. You give me no vex, don't scatter my toilet. And because I don't see that way you pack up. Sorry for that. Madam, how you sell? 115. No 1,000. Mama the mama. Why they do like this?
You guys, it was a good thing that this is my customer because I told her to give me a particular brand. She gave me another brand that really messed up my toilet. So here I complained, she replaced it and also gave me extra. But yeah, it's time to buy spices for my spices lady, and I went to also buy some wipes, some pad and some other things as well. But yeah, heading to the car park at this point, and of course,
since I never buy meat for you for 2 months, your belly don't less.
No, before I just fast.
Who fast? You don't even give me ram. You give me ram. You give me meat. I want malt. I want cold malt. Pack. Put everything. Might they go. Everything.
You know me everything.
Everything.
This one second, that's why I sell out.
That's so.
I won't call as small before. Give me 120 for everything.
What's it?
This 60,000.
That's so. Hallelujah.
You know they believe me.
I don't pass the level to price.
So the line for you.
That's so.
Every line for you.
What's it about line for me? I beg.
Give me 120 for everything.
120,000.
This two second.
You know what? 1.2 million.
See this two.
You don't want 1.2 million.
I want that quarter.
Wasi, you don't want 1.2 million. Wasi, leave me. Me, I need and pass you. I need and pass you. Wasi, I want more tina.
I will go find it for you.
I want more tina. Pack my meat. Pack everything for me. Wasi, put on my meat for me. 45. 45. Pack everything. Oh.
Who's on one cake?
Wasi na oh.
Second one at 12,000.
God forbid.
I won't go down to 2.
God forbid. God is calling me. Me. God is calling me. Me. Wasi, you cut my meat for me. Cut my meat for me. Wasi, cut my meat. If not, I go buy goats. I go meet my goat man for Ilorin. Go buy goats.
Go the cost now.
Wasi, I beg.
Of course, you know that Wasiu is not going to sell meat for me without dragging with me. But I was done at this point and I was heading back home. Got back home and we started arranging the things to start telling you the prices. Butter was a gift. Peanut butter 1 2, yogurt 3,500, Dano 1 2 3 4,000 naira. Sugar was 1,300. Corned beef was 3,000 naira. Dano sachet milk was 1,300. Sachet Milo was 1,300. Cocoa Pops was 1,200 for the sachet. Oats was 2,500 naira. Grounded sugar 2,000. Ribena 3.8. Costa biscuits 4,500. Choco rings 3,500. Chivita 4,000 naira. Onion Indomie 10,008. Swiss air freshener 1.3. Harpic 2,500. Hypo 2,000 naira. Angel wipes was 1,200. Viva Forever 1,700. Mama Lemon was 1,800. A pack of these matches was 2,500. You guys, soft care pad was 3,500. And this whole tissue was 10,700 naira. And I bought the full carton. Sarah tin tomatoes was 800 and I bought about 10. Sonia was 700. Wonder 700. Gino was 700. Salt was 500 per one. Ducker's curry was 700 per one. Bama was 2,500. Nor chicken and beef was going for 1,800. Terra oil was 3,500. Spaghetti was 1,100. I bought about 6. Yellow gari, 2 custard paint was 500. Sweet potato, Irish potato, honey beans was 7,000. These granules was 3,000 per bottle. Like I told you guys, I bought sweet potato, Irish potato, and yellow gari. The Irish was 4,500 and the sweet potato was 3,000 naira custard paint. And this is the honey beans that I bought for 7,000 a custard paint. 2,000 naira worth of habanero pepper here. Onions, a custard paint was 3,500 and I bought 2 custard paints. And green peppers for father. Bell pepper 5,000, yellow pepper 1,000, green pepper 1,500. All of this shombo was 7,000 naira worth. A paint was 3,500. Custard paint of Tatashe was 4,000 naira. All the tomato here is 6,000. 3,000 naira for custard paint. So all the tomato you can see here is 6,000. Liver 3,000, shaki 3,000. All the pomo you can see here was 5,000 naira. Panla you can see was 5,000 naira. Guys, after me and Wasiu we finished dragging. This is all the meat Wasiu gave to me. And all this meat here was going for 45,000 naira. Bere. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. Total spend today was 473,000 naira. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.